Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to legally upload a cover song without having any issues. Alright, so it's very easy, very easy. So okay, let's get started. First thing first, this actually depends on the music distribution platform you are using to upload your song. Alright, so if you're using a music distribution service or platform to release your song, then it will be very easy for you, because first of all you have to obtain a license, a music or rather a song cover license from the music distribution platform. Right, so I'm going to break down everything to you. I'll show you how you can go through the process. And we're actually going to be using Distrokid to do this. All right, Distrokid is actually the fastest and most reliable music distribution platform. All right, but it's not actually free, and I think none of the music distribution platform is actually free except 1 RPM. But they are not fast comparing to Distrokid. All right, so Distrokid can help you do the job without having any issues. So let's get started guys, without much talking. All right, so let's get started. Now the first thing we have to do is to head to a browser and go to distrokid.com. all right, so if you're using Distrokid for the first time, you will have to sign up for an account, and it's very easy. I have a video on how you can do that, and I'll add it at the end screen of this one. All right, so the next thing you have to do is to subscribe to a membership plan. All right, so there are different types of membership plan on Distrokid. There is the artist plan, musician plan, and professional plan. All right, so just choose any one of them and you're good to go. All right, so after that, then you can now release your cover song through Distrokid. So what you have to do is come right here and click on this upload music. After clicking on that, the first thing you're going to see is the services. So these are actually where your song cover or cover song will be released. Right, so the next thing is to scroll down, and then you have to create an artist name. So what's your artist name? You know the artist name you want to use on all music streaming platform, right? So just go ahead and enter the name. For example, if I want to go with this name, Zico, something like this, Zico, right? So if I want to go with that name, then I'm going to enter it right there, and then I'll scroll down and I'm going to select no. So this is for Spotify. No, I don't have any Zico releases live in Spotify. And now I'm still going to do the same for Apple Music and YouTube Music, and also I'll do the same for Instagram, likewise Facebook, and that is all. The next thing you can do is to enter your release date, but this depends on the membership plan you're using on Distrokid. If you're using an artist plan, you can't be able to see this option, but if you're using musician plan, then you'll be able to see this option right here. So after that, just scroll down and select a primary genre, or genre. All right, so I'm going to select Afrobeats, and the secondary genre is going to be Afrobeats. After that, I'll scroll down and enter my song, or rather album cover or artwork. All right, so make sure you have already designed one for your song, and make sure it meets this requirement. So your song artwork needs to meet this requirement right here. Right, so once it meets it, come right here, click on select an image, and then you have to select the image from your PC. So here's it. I'm going to select this one, click on open, and to be added. The next thing you have to do is to enter the cover song title. All right, so make sure that this cover song title is the original song title. All right, the song title has to be the original song title of the cover song you are uploading. Got it, right? Okay, so after that, scroll down And what we have to do next is to come right here and click on the select an audio file. So we are going to upload the cover, the cover song, right? And click on open. And once that is done, we have to scroll down, and here's the most important part. So this is where we're actually going to identify that this song or audio that we are uploading is a cover song. All right, so I'm going to come right here, click on this to identify that this is another artist's song and it's a cover song. All right, so once that is done, guys, I will scroll down. So make sure, look right here guys. So you have to take a close look at this. So this is very important. Make sure that your cover song meets all these requirements. Right, it has to meet this requirement so that it can be uploaded successfully. All right, so after that, scroll down, and I want you to bear in mind that you are going to obtain a license, a cover song license, all right, from Distrokid. So once you have a cover song license, and that's for that's just $12 per year. It will cost you only $12 per year. All right, so you can upload, after that you can upload as much cover songs as you want on Distrokid. Okay, so yeah, you have to enter the original artist or the artist who made this song famous. All right, so the artist is Davido. So this is the artist, and the original song title is Still Feel. I think most of you know the song, so I'm just trying to use it for this tutorial. Now here it says original song right now. This is optional. We don't know who wrote the song. All right, so come here, check this box. Here it says this track does not sample or remix another artist's recording, and this is actually required. Make sure you check it. If not, you're going to get an error message. Why clicking on done, which is the last thing we're going to do. So after that, scroll down guys, scroll to this point. So here, these other boxes, these are some boxes we could check, but do not check them for now. We don't need them. Why? But if you want to obtain a YouTube content ID, so that you can get revenue from your YouTube, from your cover song on YouTube, then you have to check this one. Okay, but I'm not going to check it. Oh, I can check it. Let me check it. I'm going to check it and scroll down. So the next thing we want to do is to make sure that this is going to be checked by default. Sorry, the cover song licensing, like I said earlier, is going to cost $12 per year. All right, so this is very important. If this is not checked, your song cover is going to have an issue in all the music streaming platforms. So make sure that is checked, but don't worry, by default it's going to be checked, but don't check it. All right, the next thing you have to do, guys, to come right here and check all these boxes. Check them all. It's very mandatory, very mandatory. As you can see here, it says mandatory. Then the next thing you have to do, which is actually the last, is to come right here and click on continue. All right, so once you click on that, that is going to be the last thing to do. Okay guys, so this is how you can actually legally upload a cover song on any music streaming platform legally. All right, so that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope this guide was helpful. If it was, give this video a like, and please, if you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching once again, and remember to subscribe. Bye for now.